This is Ryan with SmallinDecon. I'm going to talk to you a little bit about today is our coronavirus situation that's obviously worldwide and becoming more of an issue daily. So SmallinDecon for the last 15 years has been involved in lots of different types of infectious disease disinfection projects. And so those have ranged from MRSA, C. diff, tuberculosis, all of these different kinds of bacteria and viruses. So we've been doing it for a long time. Coronaviruses are family of viruses, and the one that's currently across the world is the COVID-19, typically affecting the older population and those with immunodeficiency issues. The death rate is still fairly low, but there's concerns because of how it's spread, mainly through touch points, and it's rapidly spreading across the country. It's transmitting in a lot of cases without people even knowing it happened. Lots of the calls that have been coming in have been from commercial clients, but we also can handle residents. Basically any facility that you have, whether it's a home or business, office structure, we can take care of any of those for you. So there's a liability issue, and once your facility, whatever type it is, becomes infected, you obviously don't want to spread the disease and make the situation worse. So by having us come in and disinfect it, you can, make sure that it's taken care of. Just that it's more than liability as well. It's an ethical issue. You want to make sure that your facility and your vehicles or whatever have your doing the right thing and taking care of your potential customers as well. From a homeowner standpoint, obviously you have the same concerns. You don't want to be infecting your family members, people that may come in and out of your home, or you taking it out of your home elsewhere if your home is infected. So it's it's a safety issue, and the great benefit of having it disinfected by a company like ours is that it not only takes care of coronavirus, it's going to take care of lots of different strains of bacteria and viruses that exist. So very different how we work and operate from a maid service. In general, they're going to go in and just clean your home like they normally would. So they may or may not be using the right chemicals. Our process is a two-part process where we go in and fog the entire facility, which would include running the fogging through your HVAC system. So it's running through every inch of your home from that standpoint. And then we're also wiping all hard surfaces on top of it. The typical maid service is just going to come in and, dust and vacuum wipe down a few things. So it's not the full extent of getting the entire facility disinfected. So obviously it depends on the size of the facility and the scope of work. Smaller facilities can be up to just a few hours. Larger facilities, potentially could take, a few days. We're able to handle any kind of situation, whether it's a residence, a small office, small daycare, things of those nature, up to full office buildings, factories, warehouses, and can handle all and everything in between. So technically, the minute we walk out the door, you can re-enter the property and continue to work, live, that sort of thing. A lot of the businesses I've talked to are, hey, can we do it, one day and then be in there the next day? Absolutely. Even if we did it the night before or, did it overnight, your people are able to come in the next morning and function like they always have. The chemicals that we use are all FDA approved and registered. If you don't use the right stuff, you're not doing the job properly. So, we've done everything with the right chemicals. We've had a third-party industrial hygienist make sure that review our processes and procedures, and he signed off on all those, like, yep, you're doing exactly the right way. This is the process you should use to maintain, the maximum perfection and performance of your process. So multiple ways you can contact us. You can obviously go to our website, SmallinDecon.com. You can call us here at the main office at 813-298-7122. So multiple ways you can contact us, and we'll help you out any way we can. Bye.